guys, what I want to do is I just want to show you how quickly the trains come. Now, admittedly, a lot of trains have been taken out of service just simply because it's midday. Normally you wait about 35-40 seconds in the rush hour times, in the mornings and the evenings. So let's see how long we wait now. So you've just seen the last train go, and oh yeah, so here's the next train. So that, from when that train took off, is pulling into the station less than 1 minute. It's just pulled in.